In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make highlights on your Instagram profile. So to do this, open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Here you'll see your profile. If you want to follow me, my username is BradleyBRXD. So on your profile, go to the plus icon in the top left hand corner and then you can click on highlights. As you can see, I've already got two highlights, one called YouTube and one called Life. So if you click on the plus icon in the top left and then click highlights, it's going to open up all of your past stories. And what you can do is you can go ahead and select stories here to add to your highlights. So that is what highlights are, the highlights of your past posts and stories. So I'm just going to select a couple here. And if you want to follow me, by the way, I post a lot about travel content and YouTube stuff. So you can go ahead and follow me if you wish. So add all of the stories to your highlights that you want. As you can see, I've got 3 selected. We can then click next, and then you can go ahead and give this a name. I'll just call this travel. You can click edit cover and you can choose a picture from the highlights, or if you click on this picture icon, it will load up your photos and you can choose or add a custom one. Then once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click done on the cover. Then click add in the top right hand corner and it will add this highlight to your Instagram profile. Now people will be able to click on it and view it and interact with your stories, and it will never disappear from your profile unless you remove it. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.